Guys, welcome to today's video. It's echoey, my voice is shit because I have a cold, but today was a good trading day, yes. I traded this morning, London session, in my bed. I entered the trade and I went back to sleep and I woke up with, as you can see, $1,000, which is beautiful. That's the dream. Let me show you. This afternoon, on the other hand, there was no trade on, what the fuck is this camera shit? There was no trade on New York, which was okay because I already made my money, so to speak, during London. So I was good. I told myself this week I'll trade London every morning, and if there's something possible, and I'll take it, and I win it, I won't trade afternoon. That's what I told myself. But I was looking for a trade, but then stuff happened, and I wasn't sitting in this room anyway. I was doing shit in the house, and then once in a while I came back to see if shit was moving. It was pretty boring. So no trades in the afternoon during New York. But as we can see, pretty hefty spike from yesterday. So we were still coming down from that one. So let's zoom in. Let me get rid of this. So as we can see right here, we had this previous high from London, from New York, but nothing from Asia. So Asia was already overlapped during pre-market for London. So it was either going to be high or low, becoming the new thing, and the low got reached afterwards. But let's zoom down, excuse me. Right, the zones show what they need to show. What the fuck is this doing? Alright, here we go. Excuse me for this long intro. So we break down outside the 5 minute and we break the 15-minute midline too. So that's both not confluences, but both signals that we're breaking structure or that we're deciding a direction. Mostly that we're deciding we're gonna be bullish for the day because we break down our 5-minute zone and we break basically the 15-minute zone too. So when that happens, I draw my fair value gap right here, and I draw the second one right here. For my confluences, it's a fair value gap outside the 5-minute zone. Not a fair value gap, a fair value gap that pushes a candle to open and close outside the 5 minutes. So that's why I drew the first one, because this candle gets formed outside. And then the second one, of course, does the same thing. Then 2 minutes later, we retest it. We retest it again. And then right here, because of these two big fucking zones, quite big for London, I didn't completely wait, because then I could have missed my entry, because these are pretty big candles for London. Look, you know, what am I even saying? How many? This 2 points. Anyway, I knew that we were gonna engulf, but I just wanted to be really sure that I could enter before reaching 7-point stop loss. And if I would have waited for this candle to engulf, I would have had it, I think. Yeah, look, if I would have, because this is the end of the thing, and then this is 6. So even if I would have waited here, it would have been fine. But oh no, I would not, because the fucking stop loss was right there over here. See, that's why I entered early, because I wanted it to be 7 points right here, and that's an engulfing, but I knew we were gonna go there. So basically I entered a little bit early before the engulfing actually happened on this candle, but it was dancing here with the wick, so I was like, you know what, let's just get it right on 7 points. Beautiful entry. It goes back up a little bit, but then we basically go down. I close my laptop, we dance around break even, and then eventually I think I checked right around here, and then we're back to sleep, and then boom, 15 points. Beautiful day. That's it. And then during London nothing happened, so it's not even worth it looking at that. So let's just see how much dollars exactly, because I'm almost passing this fucking evaluation. All right, $1,096.5. Beautiful. So tomorrow we'll do London session, and then I'll try to do New York session if we didn't win, because I actually have some shit at 2, which is 9. So depending if I get done on time, we'll trade or not. So that's it for me for today. Yep, that's it. Yep. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.